How's it going, YouTube? We're back. It's been a little while. Nothing much has changed. I haven't traded a lot, and I've just been slowing down my trading in general because honestly, it's just a lot more back testing now, and a lot of these conditions aren't favorable for me. So not a lot of trades. I mean, if you just look at the daily chart, let me see if I can. If you just look at the daily chart, right? It's just we're just chopping around, nothing really going on. My targets are going to be these lows because we did sweep out here. Um, if anything, my my uh my game plan is if we are going to stop, we're going to stop above this high somewhere. So this would be the liquidity for us to sweep and then shoot all the way down for this low. That's my game plan. Um, but yeah, just been slow. No trades today on my PA accounts, but I mean, just look at the price action. We just ripped straight up, right? We bounced in here, but 1 minute didn't show us any good entries. All right, no pullback here. This would have been a good entry. Um, yeah, and then we just started ripping higher. The pullback came all the way down here instead, but I was not at the chart at the time. This would have been maybe something I could look at. This leg also didn't create anything, so no trades for me today on the PA accounts. That being said, I did pass another eval account. I'm trying to use also time and sales for a scalping strategy. But yeah, so I did gain another PA account. Like I said on the last videos, I wanted to get 25k accounts instead to run them up. So I did manage to get one account. The other account, obviously I'm going for a 1-to-1 trade, just 1500 right off the bat. This trade would have worked, but like if you just look at the stop loss and take profit, my profit did get hit, but it didn't really get hit because of drawdown. So we basically drew we what happened was I was up in the position and then the position reversed for 1500 and then it went back down to take profit. So my position was good, but probably the size was off. Either way, we did manage to pass another account here, which is good. And I'm trying to use a strategy, a times and sales entry instead to get my entries. Let's see if I can find all of my entries on this account so I can show you guys. It's fairly simple. It's a mixture of understanding for me higher time frame levels as well as order order flow, and it's just a simple breakout strategy where either the buyers or sellers are getting squeezed, and as they're getting squeezed it's going to be a big push up after that. You can look up, I forgot his name, Faber or something. He had a strategy similar to this. He didn't use Tasman sales, but he had a strategy similar to this where he uses his own platform, Deep Charts, to find where the volume is at and enter off of the big deltas and big market orders. The strategy that I have is not. It's similar, but yeah, it's just similar. But I'm using times and sales instead. Let's see if I can switch to this one. Uh, let's see if I can make this bigger. Bear with me. Okay, there we go. Um. Okay, let's close out the other tab. This is quite annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. Alright, let's see if I can find my trades here. 50. Is it this one? Traded in Q. Okay. First trade here is where I made the majority of my winners. I really don't remember what I took here. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah. Okay, so everything plays out. This is just another entry method that I'm trying. So what happened was we went all the way up, pushed down, swept some lows, went up, filled the gap, and then we started rejecting off of the upper level of the gap. I saw these equal lows right here. I think this was a break-even trade, but I saw these equal lows, and I did not assume this was going to push up. If any, like, even if this were to push up, like, my risk to reward is just so, it's already fucking crazy, right? Because I'm in for like here, and if we target these lows or maybe this, that's already a crazy risk to reward. Even here, it's 1 to 1 point. Like, this already passed, right? So I entered in off of here, expecting us to go lower, which we did, and then we got a small push, and then I got a small winner off of that. I got 1200, I think, close to the 15, so I only needed 300 on the New York session. New York session was pushing highs. We had a level here, or I don't remember. I think it's just equal highs. All right, we saw this equal highs here, and I did want to see the sweep, but we didn't get the sweep. So I entered off of this break because of high volume on the time and sales. Entered in, got my close to 300, 200 something. And then that was fine. I think then here we didn't get a push up out of this either, and I still again wanted to see this as a target. So these were equal lows here. We started pushing down, high volume. I entered a short. Good. This would have been a good target too, but ideally I wanted us to shoot down here. Didn't do it. We did press down, and then there's some other. I started like flipping to get like $5 or something. I don't know where it is here, but this just started randomly just flipping just to get the accounts. But yeah. This is a different strategy. I'm trying to not different strategy. I want to say it's a different strategy because it's just a different entry. A different entry model that I want to try. Yeah, and I did say that I wanted to. I did say I wanted to have a trading, what's it called, a back testing session to record. I did do more back testing sessions, but I have not recorded them because I did them while I was at work, so it is what it is. So if I have time, if nothing shows today, I will get a session done, and then you guys will see that. But yeah, overall, nothing too much happens on the days that I was gone. I did take some trades, which were losers, of course, but I mean, we still have some drawdown here, and we can always make it back. So yes, thanks you guys for watching. Hopefully a better, more exciting episode will come out, but